Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a Trust Wallet crypto wallet on your computer step by step and how to add tokens to it. Before you start watching, subscribe to the channel and like this video. The first thing you have to do is open Google Chrome and go to trustwallet.com, the link is in the description below the video. Then click on the icon available in the Chrome. Next, add to Chrome. Add extensions. In the Extensions menu, click on the pin against the Trust Wallet. Click on the Trust Wallet icon. The wallet creation window will open. Press Create New Wallet. Next, No thanks. Now create your password. And click Proceed. Click Start. Here you will see your mnemonic recovery phrase, copy it and save it in a safe place. Next, Proceed. Now repeat the phrase in the exact sequence. Click Next. You can enable or disable the default wallet. Next, click on Open the Wallet. OK, ready. Here you will see the balance of your wallet. Button to receive tokens and send tokens. Token Manager menu in the upper right corner, you can add or disable the tokens you want. You can search and add tokens by name, they are displayed in different networks. In the center is a tab with the history of transactions. On the right the Settings menu, where you can select the main network of the wallet. Change the language. Set the default wallet. See your secret phrase. And contact support. To send a coin, select it from the list and click Send. To receive, click Receive and copy your wallet address for the coin and send it to him. Just like in MetaMask, you can add a token to the list via smart contract, find the coin you want on CoinMarketCap and copy its address in the network you want. Then in the wallet, in the token menu, click Add Custom Token. Select the network you want and paste the smart contract address. Then click Add Token. Ask your questions in the comments, subscribe to the channel and watch my other tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.